time for Teal. Teal moves it forward for Anderson. Anderson working inside of the net, gets it chopped off of his stick. Back out towards center ice. Otovets is there. Otovets gets it to Teal. Teal will dump it back in. Mexico will work it with long stretch pass to center ice. Bounces off the stick. Otovets is there. Tries to move it forward. Cleared out and dumped back in deep into the Stampede zone by New Mexico. New Mexico will get a four-man change. Moved up near side for Gustafson. Gustafson now goes cross ice for Trumbull. Trumbull moves into the zone. He's got Anderson at the far side of the net. Trumbull bounces it out in front. Backhanded in! Gustafson picks it up and Gustafson's got a hat trick! Hat trick for Gustafson! There it is! Somebody threw a hat. There they go. Everybody realized it suddenly. Gustafson's got the hat trick for the night. Now we see some hats going out on the ice. It took a minute. There's not too many people wearing hats. But Gustafson got the hat trick and at least 8 or 10 hats got out on the ice once somebody realized it was the